Alrighty guys, what's going on today? So today I want to talk to y'all about the Pet Botanics training reward. These are basically just little treats for your dogs. They're really awesome. They're, chicken flavored. There are a bunch of other flavors that they have. I think pork is one of the more popular ones, although I like the chicken flavor. We'll get into that. But yeah, what I love about these is they're very small. In terms of using them, so we were told it when we got our dog, and the last dog that we had in our house, he was trained already when we got him, so we didn't really need these to train him to do anything, go outside or sit or whatever. He was already kind of very familiar with those sorts of things. But for our new dog, he's just a puppy when we got him, so we needed to be able to reward him when he did good things, so he would know to do those things over and over and over again. And the great thing about these treats is that they're so small is that you can use them, for every good thing that your dog does. If your dog goes pee outside in the correct spots, you can give him a treat so he knows to do that again. If he sits or lays down when you tell him, or comes when you tell him or her, then you can give him a treat or her a treat. And it's really nice. Very just practical way to train your dog. Cool thing is there are about 500 treats in each bag, maybe to the 500 exactly. I'm not really sure on that. There are a lot. Kind of see, I'll open it up so you can get a look in there. Basically just look like almost like little rabbit pellets, a little bigger though. But yeah, there are a lot of them, so you can use them over and over and over again. The cool thing about them being very small is that they're very portable. They're easy to carry around. We actually use these little carrying cases, put all these treats and stuff in here, and we'll take them, because we take them to the park, whatever, sometimes down to the beach, and we'll just have these with us, so whenever we say, hey, come here, hey, sit down, whatever, he knows that he's going to get a treat. We can just pull it out of here. They stay nice and safe and fresh. And also we just don't have to, carry them around in our hands or have them in our pockets or things like that. You can put them in your pockets. They don't get really squishy, or they don't melt or crumble or anything. So, I wouldn't be totally against putting them in my pocket, I guess, but it's nice to have those little things. One thing I will say is that they really smell, so that's why I don't want to have them in my hands as much as I possibly can. The pork ones, we got those before. Those ones smelled even worse. But yeah, they do smell. So, I'd say definitely that's something you might want to just keep in mind. These are made with real chicken, which is great. They come in a low calorie count, so you don't have to worry about, feeding your dog, too much, I guess you could say. That being said, don't give them too much, because they can get diarrhea. We have experienced that before, and so that's one mistake we made. So I would say that's one thing that can happen if you do that. We have had these for quite a while though. They remained pretty fresh. My pup really loves them. They've really helped us with training. I have Dachshund Chihuahua mix, so speaking for smaller dogs, they're really great. I don't know, for bigger dogs that might be an issue just because they're really small, although it could be great too, I don't know. We've only used them as small dogs, so that's really all I can speak for. As for the packaging, really dig that. It's very slim, very small, very lightweight. You can easily fit this into our small cupboard. We kind of have a little cupboard where we keep all of his stuff. A little shelf in there, so it's easy to slide in with all of his other little treats and things like that we have. And it also seals up nicely, so it can stay fresh. We've actually had these for quite a bit though, and they still smell fresh. They still feel fresh. They don't feel like they've hardened or anything. They don't smell like they've lost any sort of flavor. So I would say overall, these are probably a good long-lasting treat. But yeah, if you're in training mode with your little puppy or something, or even with your bigger dogs, your older dogs, I would highly recommend these. They're really great little training treats, and very healthy and low calorie, which is great as well. So yeah, definitely check them out. Again, these are the Pet Botanics training reward. These are the chicken flavor. Yeah, take it easy, guys.